Hello guys, it's Deepak here from the Rural London Gardener. Yes, we've made it. It is early December and absolutely freezing. I'm here at the care home. I'm going to make this probably the last video, and I'm here to cut the lawn. It's sludgy, it's wet, it's murky. The sky is pretty blue, and that's deceiving because it's absolutely freezing. We've purchased a manual lawnmower, so I'm going to give this a try. We've got all sorts of grass and weeds on the lawn, so let's see if it actually does the job. Yeah, we have the petrol lawnmower as well, but it's very heavy indeed. It does a great job as well, but with this little nifty lawnmower, you can see here it is. This is the one. There we go. Not too heavy. Not too heavy. Pretty sturdy. We'll give it a whirl, innit, guys? Let's see what happens. Let's crack on with it. I mean, this is what I'm talking about with the grass. All sorts of thicknesses, and now that's kind of thin, isn't it? Look at this one. I don't know if you can regard this as a weed or a different strain of grass, but it's all up and down, and it's wet and sludgy. So let's see if this lawnmower does the job. All right, guys, let me take you on board. There we go. There we go, guys. Should you zoom out a little bit? Yeah, nice. I must say I'm quite impressed. I mean, the Amazon reviews are quite very genuine, I think. The key is how long this lawnmower will last. That's the key. I mean, especially the blades. And these grass clippings go straight into the compost heap. It's pretty decent, yeah. The sides we can always use a trimmer, but overall I think it's a job well done, guys. It really is. Here's the next task. Also, I was going to say, guys, that it's doing quite well in the wet. It's absolutely drenched down. It was chucking it down yesterday, guys, and it's performing quite well. I think it will do even better when it's dry. So this is the cut. I'll probably have to go through it another time, one more time. This needs to be done, and that half is done there. You know what? Pretty impressed, guys. Really am. So here's the third patch of lawn that we cut, and we cut it using the number 3 on the mower. It's looking good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is not sponsored, by the way. It was just us trying this lawnmower to see how well it performs in wet conditions, and I must say it's done splendidly well indeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, And I'll catch you probably next year now, because there's nothing's going on in the garden. It's all dead and sludgy, and we'll get the tulips out. Definitely, we'll get the daffodils growing in the next few weeks. But apart from that, nothing really. I'll continue to create some shorts and all that kind of stuff. But guys, enjoy your Christmas, take it easy, and I'll catch you 2026. Give it a quick clean, guys, and then on the blades add a bit of WD-40. Make sure it's nice and lubricated, and that will be good for the next cut.